Hello and welcome to another episode of Dunster House TV. Today we are visiting Lou, who is a lash technician from Bristol. After many years of working from the spare bedroom of her home, she decided it was time to upgrade her beauty working space and her facilities. That's when she discovered the Dunster House back cabin. Lou and her fiancé moved into their home back in 2017, but hadn't had the chance to renovate their garden. With lockdown having everyone stuck at home, they made the decision to give their garden some love and to build Lou a professional working environment for her clients and trainees. The garden offered Lou enough space for a 3.5 metre by 3 metre log cabin, as well as a cosy outdoor seating area and a hot tub to relax and unwind with her friends. Now, with no shop leasing fees, Lou can comfortably invest back into her business without any large overheads. She gained her teaching qualification during lockdown, and the beauty cabin is not only used for clients but also for her students to come and learn the trade too. On training day, she can comfortably fit 2 beauty beds with full kits, training equipment, 2 students, models and herself. Then on days Lou is pampering her clients, she has 1 beauty bed for a spacious and welcoming working space. Love Lou Lashes runs 5 to 6 days a week all year round. With this in mind, Lou opted for insulation, and she explains it holds the heat wonderfully. The cabin is extremely cosy in cooler weather. All her clients love coming to the cabin to get their treatments and always compliment how chic and professional it is inside. Lou has completely changed the way she runs her business now, but she says investing in the garden building was the best decision and makes her feel like she's stepping out the house every day to go to work, but with the shortest commute. And that's it for another episode of Dunster House TV. Join us again next week as we go and explore another customer's garden. Hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss an episode.